So let's rationalize this denominator here. So the question reads, express 3 minus 2 root of 5, okay, divided by root of 5 minus 1 in the form a plus b root of c. Then state the values of a, b, and c. Okay, so here we're just simply rationalizing the denominator. So what we have is 3 minus 2, and then we have the root of 5 there. Then we're dividing all this by the root of 5 and then minus 1. Okay, so how do we rationalize the denominator? We just multiply by the what? By the conjugate. Okay, so this expression here, we can also write it as 3 minus 2 root of 5, okay, and then divided by minus 1 plus root of what? 5. So remember, the conjugate, we always change the sign on the radical here. So we're going to multiply this guy, okay, by minus 1 and then minus the root of 5. So this is a conjugate of the denominator here, divided by minus 1 minus root of 5. Okay, so that's what we have there, and then from there we just have to simply expand this. Okay, so it will be 3 multiplied by minus 1, which will just be minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus root of 5, it will be minus 3 root of 5. Okay, and then this minus root of 5 multiplied by minus 1, it will be plus 2 root of 5. Then this root of 2 root of 5 multiplied by minus root of 5, we are going to get what? Plus 2, and then in the brackets 5, as these roots here is going to what? To cancel. So we are dividing all this by the conjugate. Okay, so remember what I said, when you're multiplying conjugates, you just get the first number, you square it, and then you say minus, you get the second number, you square it. Okay, so what are we going to have here? This is going to be equals to minus 3. Okay, let me write that properly. We're going to have minus 3 there, and then here it will be minus 3 root of 5 plus 2 root of 5, so that would be minus root of 5, and then plus 10. Then we are dividing all this by this minus 1 squared will be 1. Okay, and then minus 5. So this is what we get, and then this is going to be equals to this is going to be minus 3 plus 10, so that will be 7 minus root of 5, then divided by what? By minus 4. Okay, then we can distribute this minus 4 to the 7 and to the root of 7. So what we have as our final answer will be this here, to be minus 7 over 4, then plus 1 over 4 root of 5. Okay, so this one here will be our what? Final answer. So that's it for this question.